What's up guys, it's Greeny. I was recently in the Philippines. In this video, I'm going to show you one of those days. I was in Coron, which is a beautiful place in the Philippines. It was the one day on the trip that we planned our big excursion out on the water, and the weather couldn't have been any worse. And let me tell you, they handle things a lot differently in the Philippines than they do, say, where I come from in America. When there's a thunderstorm or something, you know, the slightest bit of thunder or lightning, you're like at a sporting event or anything, and it's shut down. Not quite handled that way in the Philippines. Stick around, I'll show you that. Beginning of the video, I'm going to show you a little tour of the town, Coron. Really cool place. I enjoyed myself. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Greeny. I'm an expat, retired in Thailand, pretty much based in Southeast Asia, traveling around to Philippines, Vietnam, different places. If you're interested in that type of stuff, or just retirement life in general, retirement guides, retirement ideas, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel. I'll be giving a lot more information about that type of stuff, information about traveling abroad, retiring abroad, all that type of stuff. Check it out, guys.
Going to Coron. Maybe one of the smaller planes I've ever been on. Okay, it's a little one. Check it out. Little baby plane. Okay, Palawan, Coron, Puerto, man. The Coron up there on the mountain. All right, let's go look at this town real quick. We drove by that cockfighting ring on the way here. Big stadium like for cockfighting. Oh, that's a big boy right there. These are little cockfighters in training here. Look at, they got them tied up. Just spent some cotton candy by foot there. Look at that. All these cool little cars. So how much is the massage? How much is the 1 hour, like the regular massage?
1 hour, sir. 600 pesos only.
600, what, this?
Yes,
600?
Vacuum Express, that doesn't look fun.
Where's Vacuum Express?
It does not look fun.
Yes.
Oh, yeah,
That
yeah.
looks very dangerous.
No, all the athletes, I see they do that when they play basketball and stuff. That does, so what does that do? Cupping therapy, what does that do? Does that help you have more power?
Do to get...
No, stop it. Oh, they got the rock, this hot rocks, lava stone. Okay, so we're gonna pass on the massage apparently. Levine's restaurant. Oh, there's a bar up there too. So this is so weird. You got this beautiful backdrop here on the water and it's just gravel and dirt. Like, I don't know what this is, a parking lot? Island Boy Grill. Yeah, that'll be good. So it looks like there's a little street market type action happening over here. A little food vendor setup. Let's go check it out. Meat on the sticks. This looks popular here, whatever it is. Oh. More meat on a stick type things. Huh. So what is this, mango smoothies?
Yeah, I don't even know what it is. I don't know if it's mango or not. 20.
Okay. Mango?
What size you want?
20. Oh, look at these hot dogs in there. I don't. What is that?
Yeah, loaded hot dogs.
It's like a cream or something.
Yeah, these hamburgers are famous. This guy over here making them.
It's not?
I don't know what it is.
Thank you.
Not what we get.
Pretty good though. I don't think I ever had that before. So how much does one of those weigh?
Astor, it's 540.
Okay. Very good.
540. Buttered garlic.
Butter garlic, okay. He's mad at me because I'm gonna kill him. Look at this, guys. This is my mantis here. Drenched in butter garlic. These flies can smell it. So the sunset's the other direction, but kind of a beautiful sky out there beyond the mountains. And basketball is huge here. Look at it, they got this makeshift rim they got. And there's a park right down the street we're looking at. They were playing basketball there too. See if these guys are any good. Nice jump stop. Look at that rim though. Wow. They live right on the stilts, right above the water. This is a serious fisherman's village here. All right, I'm going on my first tricycle ride in the Philippines. All right, when I get out, I'll show you what this thing looked like. So this is the tricycle that they brought us in. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, so he drives the motorcycle and it's got the tricycle. Thank you. And we're going on the second boat back there. What's the name of your company?
Millennial Island Travel.
All right. And your name?
Regi.
And Regi, you're our tour guide? You're going on the boat with us?
For the whole day.
They're selling many things here. If you forget like a waterproof thing for your phone, they'll have them here. This is us here, going on this little boat here. All right, you got me? Thank you.
Big boss.
Okay, good enough. Big boss? You're captain?
That's little boss.
So Chris is wheeling and dealing with these guys, trying to get a mask. We haven't even taken off on the boat. It's like a big shopping center here. Everybody, all the vendors, trying to sell like little water shoes, trying to sell everything. Nothing's included. They got to rent snorkels. They got to do everything. But Greeny, he comes prepared. He brought his own snorkel gear, his own fins, everything. So everything's a waiting game here. We're sitting here, I don't know what we're waiting for. We should have already been taken off. Maybe we have to have a contract with all these vendors that we wait long enough sitting here so they can all come in and sell stuff.
Excuse me, sir.
Apparently the Coast Guard's coming. We got to get these in.
He's right there.
Climb over some of these hills to go to the lakes. There's 2 lakes on the other side. I heard it's amazing. It's crystal clear water. It's great snorkeling. I got my snorkel camera here. Brought my snorkel. So but look at that out there. That looks pretty awesome. I'm finally fired up about the film. This is what I've been waiting for. It's hard to tell with the depth perception, but like there's different little islands here sticking out. Like this right here, that's an island, and we're gonna be able to go behind it. That's a little one. Wow, look how clear that water is down there. You see that? All the way down to the bottom. What is this called?
Kayangan Lake.
Kayangan Lake. And this is just crystal clear water down here. So we just parked our boat there, had to walk through these other people's boat. And now we're gonna have to walk way up that mountain to go to the other side. Look at this little captain here. Captain. Show you guys what it looks like when we get over the top. This feels good. I don't know why I need this life jacket though. Yeah, real. Just nice to float though. Yeah. I like to dive a little bit, but I guess it's easier just to relax in here with this. Very, very beautiful in here. So just got done checking out that lake back there, and then as I came out I could see it looks pretty stormy out there on the horizon. I don't know, looks like it's gonna rain on our boat parade. I think this is our boat right back here. I'm gonna have to walk back across this boat to get into our boat, but I'm gonna wait for everybody else, I guess. All right, it's coming down now. We got lightning, we got thunder, Apparently somebody in our group fell on the stairs, and I don't know, I'm a little concerned about this lightning out here. Kind of crazy. All right, guys.
Weather's not their fault.
Guess I better go. I better go batten down the hatches. This is nuts. I've never been on a boat like that. I think it's hail coming down now.
Oh yeah, I don't want to get miserable all day though, right?
No. It's wet. We're walking in the wet from boat to boat to get to Barracuda Lagoon. 2 more boats to go. Yeah. One more boat to go. Alright. Thank you. I left all my stuff on our boat. I told them I had 4 million pesos in the bag. Oh no, it's okay. We got guys on the boat. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Oh yeah, thank you. Oh yeah, old man. Old man. Stand under the shelter for a minute. Comes the rest of the group. I think I'm gonna wait a minute.
Even the dogs want to go in, eh?
Yeah. We go that way, but I think I'm just gonna wait a minute.
Oh.
See if it slows down a little bit. This is just friggin' nuts, guys. I mean, they don't call it either. I gotta see this. It's thunder, it's lightning. I mean, right when we got right here, it just started coming down. Worse. Hey, doggy, you see, you don't like the rain either. He doesn't like the rain. This is it, Barracuda Lake. Wow. Not sure if you can see me in the rain, but this water is so much better than the rain. It's so warm in the water. This is great. So I found a nice place to hide under. It's kind of like a little ledge here. And I'm not getting too wet. Look at this water. Look how blue that is. I wish the sun was out so you could really see how blue this water is. Alright, so Barracuda Lagoon, that was awesome. You could see so far down. Hopefully the videos with the rain and everything came out good, but I put on that snorkel for a minute and you can really see those rocks going all the way down. I wish it was sunny the whole time here. That would have been good. Oh, those are big fins. Wow, that's bigger than you.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow. Wow, there's some more big ones. Huge fins. Maybe that's why I can't swim that good, because mine are so small. So this is Mylan. She's on my tour. She wants to be on YouTube. So she's gonna have to answer the question I ask all the Philippine girls. You like guys with beard or no beard?
With beard.
With beard, okay. Most of the Asian girls do not like the beard. Look at that. Wow. And where are you from?
France.
Yeah, and how long have you been in Philippines?
Philippines, 3 weeks.
Oh, okay. When do you go back?
Oh, the next week.
Okay. You guys were talking about, like, you have a group from, like French people that you can meet up with on trips?
Yeah?
Yeah, that's nice.
On Facebook.
Facebook group, okay. Maybe I need that Facebook group Americans meet up on. Alright, they're making it down. Be careful, those stairs are like aimed for going up, but when you're coming down, they're like aimed the wrong way. I can't wait to go snorkeling where the reef is. Hopefully the sun will be out for that. That's supposed to be coming up next. some shipwreck and some reef. Sure what's going on here. I just dove in the water and took off, and then I seen this whole group of people. Maybe it was like a guided tour or something on the boat, or I'm not sure. I see Chris bringing up the rear there. So if they tell me what this is all about, I don't know. Maybe the people that are afraid of the water, maybe can't swim. So we're at lagoon number 1. And I guess there's a cave we can go underneath to go to another lagoon. You taking the ladder down?
Where are we going?
I'll just jump in. Apparently, when the water level gets up, you gotta take the ladder over. So right now, we can just go right underneath here. So apparently you hit a line and it just gets real cold. I'm still waiting for it. I don't feel nothing.
Oh yeah, it was like easily 10-degree difference. Well, notice 8 degree difference right away. You really notice it.
Right here it feels a little bit colder. Yep, I'm swimming into it right now. But when I was snorkeling over in the other one, I could feel some cold. So that's what they call skeleton shipwreck out there. And as you can see, it's just you can't make out too much, just the frame of the ship. It's a Japanese fire ship from World War II, probably sunk by the Americans over here. So everybody's circled around there. I zipped out and zipped back. No need to stay there with all those people right there. Beautiful area though. Palawan, Coron. I guess it's the Coron Islands, maybe? Many islands over here. Alright, the rain stopped. Back to semi-sunny skies. We're going to eat lunch right now. Looks like they got a little hut set up over there with tables, and assuming that's where we're gonna eat lunch. So yeah, this is the little beach here that they pulled up to. And then we're gonna eat lunch right at this little table right here. Smith Beach. Oh, they got the lechon, the pig over there. Let's see what it looks like. That's a whole pig. Thank you. Okay, so he gave me a little bit to try it. Very juicy. That was really good. I wonder what we get. At our table, we get macaroni and cheese. Where is our pig? Our big pig like that? They said that everybody gets that, right? You don't have what?
I ordered the
Eggplant? Some clams or mussels. Oh, sea grapes. Look at this big fish.
I just been in Thailand last night.
Oh.
I never heard of it.
What is this?
I couldn't get back.
chicken adobo.
Oh, chicken adobo. Okay. I thought it was goat.
As called as my ex-girlfriend. We have San Miguel Pelpelser, Red Horse BS, San Miguel Light, Emperador Light, Backlight, Moto Light, Christmas Light, Sunlight, Stoplight, Arba Light. All right.
You have bottled water?
What? Yeah, but not cold.
No. Coca-Cola?
Cola, yes, yeah.
Cold?
Very cold.
How much? This is the only public beach in Coron. And you got the beer vendor that pulls up, sells you beer. You also had Coke. I bought a Coke. There he goes. They're talking about floating market in Philippines. There it is, right there. That's the floating market of the Philippines. He did all right. He sold a couple beers here, sold me a Coke. I guess they call this the Double Lagoon. And some people are gonna maybe kayak over here. Nice boat there. How come you didn't take us on that boat?
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go.
A full party going on that boat. So we're heading in from this last stop, these lagoons, and look at it, they gave us these banana things. They look very sweet. Wow. It's like a crunchy glazed sweet banana. That's really good. The whole thing is just surrounded by all these mountains, hills, and water. Really amazing place. If you get the chance to come here, I would definitely recommend Coron. Definitely do one of these day trips or multiple day trips. Well worth it. Most fun we've had so far on the trip.
Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
A lot of this in the Philippines. Big storms. We were out on that boat today and out swimming in the lagoon, and it was like this. I was in the warm water in that one of those lagoons, and the cold rain pouring down, but we got to be up at 4:15 in the morning, so maybe this rain sound will help us stay good. See you guys later. Hopefully you enjoyed Coron, and the next stop is El Nido. If you enjoyed the video, guys, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Greeny out.